everyone, welcome to the Python session. Today we will discuss about the virtual environment. So first we will start with what is virtual environment, and then we will go to the how to create virtual environment. Next we will see activate and deactivate the virtual environment. So let's first understand what is virtual environment. So virtual environment is nothing but a tool that helps to manage dependencies. It allows you to create an environment with its own Python interpreter and installed package separated from the system-wide Python environment. Why it is used? This is practically useful when you are working with multiple projects with different dependencies or versions. So this is what the virtual environment is. Now let's see how we can create the virtual environment, and then we will see how to activate and deactivate the virtual environment. So for this you need to open your command prompt. So to install the virtual environments, for that the command is pip install virtual environment. So now we will install the virtual environment. Now we need to provide one name. So for that I will write virtualenv. Okay, now I will provide the virtual environment name my environment. Okay, now I will click on enter. So now my environment is my virtual environment name, which is get created. To check that one, you can click on pip list. So here you can see my environment. We need to activate the virtual environment. How we can do this? So to activate the virtual environment, we can run this command. So my environment, your environment name /scripts and /activate. If I will click on activate, you can see the my environment parenthesis, you can see the my environment. So virtual environment is activated. For example, let's install some package pip install. So I will write pandas. So in my virtual environment I am installing the pandas. So now our panda packages is installed. You can see in the virtual environment. So now we will deactivate the virtual environment and we will check whether the pandas is installed in our system environment or not. For this we will write the command deactivate and we will click on enter. Now you can see it is showing only the path, not the my environment. Okay, so now we will see whether the pandas is installed in our system environment or not. So for that we will write the command pip list. So it will show you all the packages are installed for your Python project, and you can see here there is no pandas packages available over here. If I will go back to the environment, okay, now I will write pip list. You can see here the pandas is installed here. So this is basically the difference between your system environment and your isolated environment, which is known as virtual environment. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. If you have any suggestion, then you can email us on codr.help@gmail.com.